So some of you have asked me to make a tutorial about this video. So let's make it in just some minutes, and it is so easy to make. First go to your web browser and search Blender. I will give the link in the description, don't worry. Then click the download button. Choose a download type. Then go to this website. In here you can have any 3D software. Go here and search for Minecraft Potion. As you can see, we have 3 options here. For this video, I will choose this one. You can choose the other stuff as well. Then, click the download button and choose the top one. Sometimes it can be DAE or FBX. Download it. Then go to Blender and open it. Click on General and press A on your keyboard. As you can see, you have highlighted all the object. Now press X on your keyboard and click OK. So now you have an empty world to play with. Go here and click this, then click the Import button. Browse your folders where you have downloaded the Potion folder. Import the source file FBX. Now you can see we have the 3D model. Click on this for modeling. Now if you have noticed in the video, you will see we had 3 colors bottle. And we already have this color now. We just have to make another 2. So click Tab on your keyboard to edit the object and choose this option to select faces only. Now go here and choose one of your faces you want to change color. In my case, I want this color, so choose every color like this video and change them. As you can see, we now have this bottle. So go here, click the Export button. Choose OBJ because we will edit it in After Effects, and After Effects only support OBJ file. So export it anywhere, and you have 2 potions now. So make another color just like this. Then, after all this, you can close Blender. Now open up your Adobe After Effects. Choose a 1920 by 1080 composition. Then make a solid background. It is not mandatory. I am just making it for looking good. Okay, so now make another solid. Go to Effects panel. Search Element 3D and drag or double click it. Now you can see you have this effect in your solid. So click the Scene Setup option. Now you can see it is similar to Blender, right? Go here and click Import. Import the potion. Don't change anything here and click OK. If you can't see the object, click here to make it normal size. All done. Now press OK. Now as you can see, you have the potion in your comp. Now choose the group 1 and click here and here. Now you have all the controls over it. You can do anything now with it, rotate or zoom or position everything you want. Now if you have noticed in the video, there were simple texts and shape layer etc. You can make it in minutes. Quick tip. After all the text, just copy and paste the layer and just change the potion to save a ton of time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like this video and drop a comment about next video. If this video gets 2K views, I will share all of the potion and project file. And follow my other social media as well.